other thing I wanted to share was your brain. You have two sides of your brain. One side is all about task, focused, getting things done. You guys are very familiar with that. The other side of our brain is more about daydreaming. It's more about letting your mind wander, and more to kind of the creative side. And most of us at work are this side. And what I want to share with you is the importance of actually making time to wander and let your brain wander, let your brain think about things. A lot of times our most creative ideas come is right before you're about to go to sleep, when you're taking the shower, when you're walking maybe into the office, but not when you're actually doing the work, because you're so consumed by the task at hand. We want to make time for the other part of your brain so that you're using the wholeness of who you are. That's ultimately what we want. We want the wholeness of who you are to show up in your work environment. Some of you might already be doing this, but how can you do it even more?